Hi you guys, today is December 1st, Sunday, about 4:07 in the evening, and Google tells me it's 44 degrees, but the wind chill feels like 36. Well, I was out here earlier trying to do some work, and it didn't take long before my hands froze. Well, I don't know if you guys remember, I'm slowly cleaning my porch off. I had a big pile right where that pallet was. I got that gone. I'm trying to get the rest of this cleaned off of here so I can bring some stuff back. Yeah, I don't know if I ever showed you, but I got a makeshift well, and I just left dumpster diving. Actually, my neighbor and I was driving by, and I saw this sitting in the yard on the curb, and I went up and asked. I got me a shed. I got me a lifetime shed. I had to buy a few things for it to finish it off, but concerning it's just like around $1,000. I only had to pay like $75 to get it all up and functional. I can't complain. I still haven't done my fire yet. I need to do and clean up around my fire pit, but it either was too hot for me, and then when it went from where I could come outside, it went to freezing. And the days that it wasn't freezing, it was raining. Right now the wind's starting to kick up and it's starting to rain. But let's see what else. It's not much of an update. I'm working on the rider. We got the battery in the house so that I can see I don't think I'm going to restore the battery because inside, so it's down. The garden still looks like a weed fest. So I'm going to have to, hopefully, one day it'll be nice enough for me to come up here and clean it all up. So I can finish doing what I want to do. Tarp it. And get it all ready for next year so that next year I don't have to worry about my weed fest. So it's just one of those blah days. Every time I want to try to do something, it is either too cold, it's pouring down rain, or I've ran myself into the ground and I need to sleep. But hopefully there's some branches in here I'm going to have to pull out. But as soon as I pull them out, they ain't many. I'm going to hopefully get my rider up here and mow this all back down so I got my area back. I was losing yard, but you know how it goes. Because I want to move all this pile of wood I chopped up last fall or whenever up by the house, and well, every time I go to do something, it's pouring down rain. Or it's too cold to do it. So that's more or less my update. Really didn't do much. But I know if I don't put them on, I'm going to get yelled at. So let me go in. You guys can see my pigsty, but I'm working on it slowly. I already filled up one trash can already. And that's just put a dent in it. And I've been burning a lot of stuff too, so it's like I get the fire going, burn it up. And then, lo and behold, 6 hours later, it finally goes out. That's how much crap I've been burning. let's see now. Yeah, we're going to try to get this all cleaned up this week. I'll come out about a half hour a day and try to clean up. But I'm slowly getting it. See, this ain't trash. This is coming out. But there's a trash can, and it was only from the doorway area over by in front of the desk. That's more or less about what it took. Hey Google, turn light on. And there's Rocster laying in bed. Say hi, boy. Say hi. Go ahead, say hi. Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Sorry it wasn't more of an update, but what can I say? I'm trying. Having a bad hip, vertigo, it really took a toll on me this year. So I'm here, I'm alive, and hopefully I get back into recording and giving you guys more updates. Alrighty, thanks. See you guys next time. Bye bye.